Alright, welcome back. I'm Eşkin and let's get started. In this video, we are going to train a machine learning model to recognize pictures of cats and dogs. Just go to cognimates.me, which I also recommend bookmark for this course. This open source website is a great tool to train machine learning models, thanks to its contributors for making it. As you see that there are two options, train models and code and play, where they are shown within the purple rectangles. We will use both two options, but for now the main purpose is to train our models. Therefore, just click Train Models button. As it seems that we can either train vision or text. Let's click this blue button where it says Train Vision. Now we can create our model. First of all, let's give a name to our project. I will say something like cat vs dog. And click this Set button. The second step is to set an API key. To create a machine learning model, Cognimate requires API keys. In order to set these keys, we'll use Clarify that provides free API keys. So click Sign Up and Get Keys. As a normal registration process, there are some fields must be filled. Just fill this form. You can either write a company name where you work, or you can just write your university name or school name. If you are an educator, just type educator, or if you are a student, just write student. And click this I am not a robot. Click this Sign Up button. There is a pop-up window which says that either read the guide or just start. Let's click that. Let's get started. First of all, you need to verify your email address. Just go to your email address. The email that you received from Clarify looks like this. Just click this link and verify your email address. Now let's refresh the page. Now we need to create an application. To do that, just click this plus icon that's shown in the top right corner. Put your app ID here. I'm just going to say cat vs dog. And these two fields is optional. Then default language will be in English and base workflow will be general. Okay, now just click this create button. Okay, our application is just created. Let's click on the application name to see application details. As you see that there's an API key. I'm going to copy it and just go to your Cognimate web page and just paste this key to here. Now click Set Key. Okay, the third step is create categories for our models. The first category will be cat. Let's write cat and click this Add Category button. Now I'm just going to add another category will be called dog and click again this Add Category button. So we will add at least 10 images for each category. You can use the images which I provided for you, or you can use your own image set. So just click this box and I'm going to select all images and click open. So there are 10 images for cat, and just click this box and I'm going to set dogs and all images for dog and click open. So as you see that there are 10 images for dog. Okay, that's all. It's time to train our model. Click this train model icon. It will take a few minutes. So as you see that the model status just changed to model is trained and ready. Okay, now let's test our machine learning model. So I'm going to upload an image to test our model. Click this box and I'm going to use test images. By the way, these test images are not used for training a model. So let's just choose this one. Click open and click this predict button. Perfect. It recognized that it's a cat with 99.29 confidence score. Let's try another image. Let's remove this image and click this box again. And this time let's choose the first image and open. So just click this predict button. Very good. It says that it's a dog and the confidence score is 99.55. Let's try another image. Just remove this one. By the way, you can also use any cat or dog images that you find on the internet. But so let's say that for this time I'm going to use this little dog and let's predict. So it says that it's a dog with confidence score 57. Actually, it's very nice. Okay, let me give you a small summary that we have learned from this lesson. We have trained the computer to recognize pictures of cats and dogs, but instead of trying to write rules to do this, we just did it by collecting examples that are used to train a machine learning model. This is called supervised learning because you are supervising the computer's training. The computer will learn from patterns in the example photos, such as animal shapes, colors, and etc. And then these patterns will be used to recognize new images. Great, you just built a real machine learning model. Now it's time to use this machine learning model in a project, and I will be waiting for you in the next video where we'll start doing exactly that.